There are 3 mistakes that MSPs commonly make with Google. And when I say 3 things, I really mean 4 things, because the first is assuming that AI is now your new focus for getting search traffic. Well, it's not. It's currently sending only about 1% of traffic to your website. So the focus right now still has to be doing better on Google. But why? And how do you do this? What are the 3 other things that MSPs are getting wrong? We're talking about one of the most overlooked tools in your marketing toolbox, your Google Business Profile. Now, before you skip this or zone out, do stick with me. Google Business Profile isn't just for coffee shops and hair salons. Your Google Business Profile shows up when someone Googles your MSP's name, or even if they just Google MSP's My Town. It's kind of like your digital shopfront, and it can make you look trustworthy. Or not if you get it wrong. So let's look at 3 common mistakes that I see MSPs making and how you can fix them quickly and easily. And the first mistake is to have a boring, generic business description. If your profile says something along the lines of, "We offer IT support and services to businesses," oh, you're not alone. Loads of MSPs do this, but it's bland and it's costing you clicks. So here's the fix. Speak like a human and not a robot. Use the first sentence to make it clear who you help and what problems you solve. So try something like, "We help town name businesses worry less about IT with fast, friendly support, bulletproof security, and advice with zero jargon." I mean, that alone, just using that sentence, that instantly sets you apart from other MSPs. Mistake number 2. No photos, or photos from the year 2005. Did you know that businesses with photos actually get more clicks and more calls from their Google Business Profile? You don't need to go and hire a pro photographer. Just pull out your phone, grab a team photo, maybe grab some photos of your office, your vans if you've got vans. You could do a behind the scenes look at your setup. It could be, your help desk, someone answering a phone. It could be your security dashboard with obviously the sensitive stuff blurred out. People just want to see people. They want to see who they're dealing with. And even one new photo added like today or this week can boost engagement. If you added a new photo every week or at least once or twice a month, that could be huge. And then mistake number 3, letting your reviews go stale. Google Business reviews are like gold dust. They're a critical step in social proof, where people are more easily influenced by seeing what other people like them are doing. Who are they buying from? Who are they trusting? If other people like them trust you, then they can trust you. That's how they feel about social proof. But lots of MSPs stop asking for reviews once they've got a handful of them. And yet Google loves fresh reviews, and so do prospects. So here's the fix. Make this a weekly habit. Every Friday, look back at your tickets and look at who you've helped that week. Pick one happy client, send them a one-to-one email. "Hey, would you mind leaving us a quick Google review, please? It really helps." Because most people want their trusted suppliers to do well, and just send them the direct link to your review page to make it easy. Now, one step up from this is to add an automation to your PSA, which emails happy clients after the successful resolution of a ticket. And maybe you'd put some kind of condition in there so they're not being emailed and asked for reviews all the time, but perhaps every specific user at your clients is asked no more than once every 3 months for a Google review until they've left a review, at which point you can switch that off in their PSA. However you do it, over time, adding new reviews all the time really do stack up, and they really do make you stand out. Look, your Google Business Profile doesn't need to be perfect, but it does need to be active. Avoid these common mistakes. Rewrite your description, add fresh photos, and make review requests part of your ongoing routine. It's all low-effort stuff, but it really pays off.
Paul Green's MSP Marketing Edge.